Yes, hello po sa lahat. Kaya nandito na naman po ako sa inyong harapan, ang inyong nanay. Manggugulo lang muna ako sa mga wall nyo. Ayan, so gusto ko lang kantahin tong song na to. One last song. Actually, request siya ng isang friend ko. So, try natin kantahin ha. Kamay-ay. Take my hand, touch my face, let me feel your embrace, let me see in your eyes that you want, say goodbye. Just tell me how you feel. I don't know what you're thinking anymore. And if you need me, you'd kiss me, then tell me how you feel. And if you want me, you'd show me, then your love is for real. And if you love me, you'd hold me in your arms where I belong. So why I'm feeling strong, I sing you one last song. Let me ask, time has passed. Do